Hey guys, welcome back to another video of DeFi passive income. So I know you guys are enjoying the forks of baked beans. So today I am back again with another fork of baked beans, and it is also on the Binance Smart Chain. So before moving further, if you enjoy the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel because I try to inform you guys about different crypto projects and I want you to be a part of my crypto investing journey. So this project is called Gold Grinder. Gold Grinder is the most improved version of all the BNB miners out there. So it is just launched and their contract holds 759 BNBs at the time of making this video. Now it is very much similar to that of the baked beans and the every other project that we have seen so far. So currently they are giving a daily return of 9% and their APR is 3285 and their developer fee is 2%, which is really low. So how this protocol works is that suppose if you are committing 1 BNB, that 1 BNB will be our sunk cost and that 1 BNB will be converted into gold. And as you can see, we will receive 1107 gold. Now if we take a look over here, one miner cost is 0.96 gold. And in the gold mine rate, you can check how much gold they are generating for you per hour. And you can also see how much BNB you are generating per day. So the more number of miners you have, more gold they will generate for you in the form of BNB. So how these protocols basically works is by following a strategy called 6:1 strategy. And in this strategy, you compound your rewards 6 days a week and take your profits on the 7th day. So suppose if you are starting on Monday, you have committed your 1 BNB on Monday. You will come on Tuesday at the same time, you will click on higher miners, which is basically the recompound button. So you will keep doing this until Saturday, but on Sunday you will come over here and you will click on the sell gold button, which will take the rewards from that particular day into your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet. So this 6:1 strategy is the reason that these protocols sustain themselves for a longer period of time. So if you start taking out your rewards daily, then you will be punished by the algorithm and your daily returns would be reduced to say like 3% or 5%. And it will hurt your ROI over a long period of time. So now let's take a look over their white paper. So what is Gold Grinder? Gold Grinder is a BNB miner that earns up to 9% in rewards every day. You can invest whatever amount you like and the rewards will be based upon the amount you invest. Is this sustainable? Yes, as long as there is total value locked in the contract, then there will always be rewards. People who sell gold too much get punished and get lower and lower rewards. And what is the best strategy? We recommend the tried and tested method, as in it is written in the contract. Reinvest 6 days and sell gold 1 day a week. It will compound your investment and receive your initial back in 6 to 8 weeks. So I will leave all the links down in the description box below. Please go through them yourself and read as much as you can. So guys, this is the contract. This is the Gold Grinder which is released recently. So I hope you have liked the content. If yes, then please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this.